Western Canada, 4 provinces. Western Canada includes 4 provinces: British Columbia, Alberta, Saskatchewan, and Manitoba. This is British Columbia. BC has many mountains and lakes. This is Alberta. Alberta has mountains, lakes, and prairie grasslands. This is Saskatchewan. Saskatchewan is mostly flat and has prairie grasslands. They grow a lot of wheat. This is Manitoba. Manitoba has many lakes and rivers. Alberta, Saskatchewan, and Manitoba are also called the Prairie Provinces.